We have another 4R70W transmission here. This is an automatic overdrive transmission. Works for the modular or any Coyote setup, whether that be a Coyote Gen 1, Gen 2, or Gen 3. Comes as a complete kit. This has been totally engineered. Handles up to 700 plus horsepower, so it works in a naturally aspirated or in some supercharged applications. But guys that have an early Bronco swap that they're going to be doing for a Coyote, this is an ideal way to go. It doesn't require any tunnel mods, as does the 6-speed or the 10-speed, so it would be more of a direct fit. Has already the conversion on the back of it here for the 4x4. Works directly with the Dana 20 transfer case, and it's going to have all your needed parts to do the swap here. You're going to have the flex plate, the mid plate, the torque converter, the remaining adapter pieces there to mate it up. And then you'll have the dip tube, the inspection plate, the transmission control module, the harness, the transmission range sensor, and then all the hardware to mate the transmission to the back of the engine. So all available here through tdmotion.com.